The police and like
Otherwise, usually the staff arrives by 10:30, 11.
Sometimes late.
Most of time 11.
people are walking, looking and staring at us. They are smiling. They
No
think
problem. We are doing for the good cause of the public.
क्लोजिंग अ गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस इज नॉट द सॉल्यूशन। मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि सिर्फ एक ऑफिस बंद करके
We are not closing the government officials. We are not closing the government officials. We are also accountable to the public. We are responsible. It is you and me, the public representative and officers. We have to work in collaboration. Otherwise, why are we being elected? We are the voice of the public. We are answerable to that. And DA means what? He is the overall head of the administration. Through him, everything, all the scheme rules.
And being such responsible person, that is his behavior. That's what we have seen.
You have seen in the social media, even in Airport Tripura. Where more or less message to them. What is that incident? We are very happy for collaboration.
We are answering to you. No, we know that. That is what you have come here to represent all their grievances, and I don't think anywhere in the state such sort of grievance could have happened in the past. So we have never seen such sort of.
It is a matter of prestige for him also for us
There is
also.
what we have said.
We don't want to do actually. He has compelled us.
There is what we have said in the earlier.
Ma'am, what we are requesting is
It will be happening in the first time in Tripura, like working the offices in the weekdays.
This has particularly proved that he has not collaborated.
Yes.
He has proved.
We
His
have also
activity has bound
coordinated
us.
with government of Tripura as well. We have given time bound manner 96 hours. But
Our
then
seniors
we
have
have waited for at least 1 week.
Ma'am, our seniors
We
have
did
come.
not get any
All your
positive
grievances have been
response. That's the reason.
all your grievances have been taken on board, and everything will be taken represented to the proper platform. But I would request, ma'am, one last request, ma'am. You have cooperated everything with us, and your SP sir has also.
Not even pass out of the office. Just
Just started. Later, before even many of the officers won't be reaching this time.
And
You are serving the government, but there are thousands of people. These people are all highly qualified, but we are unemployed still. We are responsible for this.
We are lucky enough to get a job. That I know. But what I'm requesting is me being a public representative, public servant.
Yes.
And I would request one thing that you had said you would put this office under lock and key as a token of your grievance, as a protest. That was agreed to. Now I would suggest, and not request, suggest, please now let us, as was decided in front of IGs and also ADMs and also, like now we go back. Now we start protest. Your men protest there, man. All your supporters can protest there. Now the readiness of the time, they can aram se stay for some time as long as you want, as you have decided.
We will be protesting unless and until from the head office any on written instruction, if it does not come, we may be bound to stay up to the blue moon. Who knows?
That is your decision. There's nothing that we can
Yes.
say about
So
it.
I am
Ma'am,
requesting our SP sir and you, with all due respect, please, there won't be any violence from our end. Please try to cooperate. That's
वी
it.
आर कोऑपरेटिंग मैडम।
Thank
और
you very
उनसे
much.
हमने
Thank
बात
you very
करी थी,
much.
दैट इज
Come.
वाई हमने
Come.
अलाउ किया था। प्लीज स्टिक टू योर
Thank you very
कंडीशन
much.
सूरज जी। हमने जो अग्री करा था वो करिए। अब आप थोड़ा जैसे बर्बाद हुई थोड़ा पीछे कर दीजिए क्राउड को, क्योंकि अननेसेसरी मतलब कोई वायलेंस होता है तो बुरा पड़ेगा मैडम।